Welcome back to Dadskillz. Today we've got hopefully what should be quite a nice easy one. We're going to adjust the handbrake on my wife's car, Skoda Fabia estate. Now I've read online there was something you could do with put your foot on the brake, lift the handbrake up a couple of times, and that could adjust it for you. Now I've tried that and it's not appreciably different really, the handbrake, so we're going to go the mechanical route. I've got the spanners out. We're going to tighten the cable itself, and it should be straightforward, I think. So I'm going to turn you around. We're going to have a look.
Dadskillz, 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 Dadskillz.
So here we have our selection of spanners. Now I've chocked the wheels, but I could also have left it in gear. But it's better than it was actually using the method I described earlier. But it's not, you know, it should be 3 or 4 clicks, shouldn't it really? So we've got loads of clicks there. So let that off. Now under this compartment here, I'm led to believe, which is difficult to do with one hand. Right, I couldn't do it on my own, so I've had to enlist the help of a cameraman. Hello, Arthur. So we're going to pull this out. Quite it out before as well. Oh, there we go. Right, cool. This is from our handbrake, as you can see, moving up and down. This is the nut we're going to tighten, and then we've got one cable to each side of the rear brake calipers. So I bought my selection of spanners. I'm going to start with 10mm because hopefully that's a standard size, isn't it? Oh, there we go. Right, so hopefully. Right, let's try that. So, no, keep going. We want to get to about 3 or 4 clicks maybe. And this will be the same for a lot of the cars on this platform, so the Volkswagen Audi group cars. Right, what's that doing? Getting there. Keep going. Right, there we go. Right, I think we're there. Take a look at the handbrake. So we've got 1, 2, 3. And we can go 4 or 5 if we wanted. So yeah, that's perfect. And then we're just going to put that back in there. So that's that easy fix, just with 10mm spanner. So that's it from me, Dadskillz, and that's it from goodbye.
Dadskillz, 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 Dadskillz.